Momo ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ o, ẹ ṣáà láìkí bó ṣe ń lọ. Mo rí pé ẹ ti wà emotional lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta yìí. Ìkà ṣe rí sí abẹ́ni lórí lọ̀rọ̀ yín, ẹ fẹ́ kọ́ mú dà kọjá lórí yín. Momo, ẹ̀yin tẹ lọ máa ń gẹṣin bá bàbá èèyàn lé, wọ́n ti wá gẹṣin wá bàbá ńlá bàbá yín nù lẹ́sìn báyìí. Ẹ wá emotional, ara yín ti balẹ̀. Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ń gbọ́ wélékewéleke, ó máa ń dùn mọ́ yín tẹ bá ń àtáàkì àwọn èèyàn. Ó máa ń dùn mọ́ yín tẹ́ bá ń bojú àwọn èèyàn jẹ́. Kí lẹ rò kó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ when you were doing all that to people? What were you thinking will happen? They should be happy? Tẹ́ bá ń borúkọ èèyàn jẹ́ online, tẹ́ ń throw wọn under the bus, tẹ́ ń parọ́ mọ́ wọn. Do you think they were happy? Now, gbogbo yín àtàwọn ọmọ yín ẹ wá ń kọ, Alashabi is nice. How can you betray Alashabi? Ẹ̀kọ́ṣì Alashabi wèrè wo ló nice? Nǹkan tó fi ń wọ̀n fún yàn náà fi wọ̀n fún. Òṣùwọ̀n tá bá fi wọ̀n fún yàn náà máa fi wọ̀n fún yín. Ó pẹ́ Momo, ó pẹ́. Ẹ̀yin náà ẹ burú, ẹ kì í ṣàgbà dáadáa. Ẹ̀yin náà ẹ treat àwọn èèyàn dáadáa. Kí lẹ rò kó máa ṣẹlẹ̀? Kó máa leak àsì yín lọ. You are doing bad to people. Àwọn èèyàn ò jámọ́ nǹkan kan lójú yín Momo. Àwọn èèyàn ẹ mọ nǹkan tẹ́ sọ about Lawrence Martins. Ẹ mọ nǹkan tẹ́ sọ about Rosulani. Ẹ mọ gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ sọ about all these people. Ẹ máa fi rubbish wọn bí pé they are nobody. You think they needed you? Ọ̀tọ̀ ni pé kéèyàn like ẹ, ìwọ náà fúnra ẹ lọ́pọlọ now. People can like you and but you always feel like you're special, you're superior in one way or the other. I don't understand. Now they throw you under the bus, it shock you. That's what they do. If you respect people, they go respect you. But it's so unfortunate that you don't respect people. And you want people to respect you. It's not possible. If somebody is your friend, you have to learn how to, talk to them maturely. Talk about them maturely. The way you will talk, respect. You talk about these people as if they are nobody. But you are still wanting loyalty from the same people. Don't know they are nobody. Make it make sense, Momo. Èmi ò ṣe mi ò ní dákún nǹkan tó ń ṣe yín torí mo rí pé ojú ti tì yẹn ti sá wọlé nsìn báyìí so ojú bẹ́ẹ̀ lójú ṣe máa tì yín bẹ́ẹ̀ ni èmi kàn fẹ́ wá ka update fún yín so in case tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá rí àwọn update táwọn èèyàn drop fún yín I took it upon myself to be reading the update for you so that you go cry blood very well. This is from Bolivia. She said, all of you saying yes, Abingo is an old woman. She's 65. Mo Abudu, Shade Alesh, Iya Rainbow, Adeboye Redeem, Iya Eleko, Madam Shade, etc. All are also old people. Tell your Momo to stop smoking and eating healthy. Take a bath. Momo is old, number one. Sherry Agba Momo, Agba Jati ni. Kò ṣe kíni, kò wùyàn. Agba tiyín, kò tolé, kò dalẹ̀. Àgbà tí yín tọ́mọ kékeré méjì bá ń jà ẹ máa lọ dákun ní pé yín ṣe ìyá yín èmi ò ṣe ìyá yín mi ò wà loyal to anybody. Àgbà yín orí rọ́ṣirọ́ṣi ẹ wo skin yín Jésù, your skin is terrible. You have bad memory, you have bad character, you have bad lè sọ̀rọ̀ lè mọ̀rọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ akọ́ lanu gbàgà wà sọ̀rọ̀ jàtijàti. There is nothing like maramu wàá kó gbogbo ẹ̀ mọ́ra bíi bàbá sùwé náà ni ó máa wá dàbí wèrè ọ̀tọ̀ lèèyàn tó yẹ kó máa pè ní wèrè mẹ́ṣọ̀ ọmọ ló yẹ kó máa pè mẹ́ṣọ̀ rí wọ́n ṣe máa ń kan àkọ́kọ́ bí àlùbọ́sà tó máa wá rí jágajàga táwa tó gbogbo ẹ̀ ọlọ́pàá tó wọlé wèrè pólíbàgì ló mọ orí kó Momo máa kó gbogbo ẹ̀ gan sọ́run kó gbogbo ẹ̀ sára kó gbogbo ẹ̀ lọ gbogbo ẹ̀ mọ́fọ́ máa dàbí chain ajá kò wọ́n rá mú rí birthday shoot tó ṣe Ìyá Rainbow tó ṣe 70 gan ẹ wo bó ṣe ẹ wo Momo bó ṣe rí kò ní wẹ̀ ó máa jókòó sí gbogbo orin tébù yẹn máa dọ̀tí ni ó máa dọ̀tí lábẹ́ Momo ò ní ṣe rí ẹ wo èmi kọ́ mo bú yín o Bolivia ló kọ ẹ má wá sunkún sọ́dọ̀ mi o tẹ́ bá ké sí bíbá yìí máa bójú ìyá yín jẹ ni èmi ní kí n máa gbé fún mọ̀mọ́ tí mọ̀mọ́ ò bá rí èmi rí màmá jẹ́ kí mọ̀mọ́ máa gbọ́ mọ̀mọ́ ẹ má wọ̀rí mo wà nílé fún yín no wàhálà you never see anything o. ẹ jẹ́ àtúnkà update lọ́dọ̀ aṣẹ́wó plugs tó ń sọ pé yàn kan máa pa mọ̀mọ́ lórí social media aṣẹ́wó plugs ló máa pa mọ̀mọ́ wọ́n ní wọn ò rí nǹkan celebrate views. Only if you are confused on how to profile a low self-esteem and I must belong by force, go check Idi Ogbapo only disability of the Pussy's page. For the love of me, never would you understand how a Nikompu be celebrating ordinary likes on a show from Esa Obayeje. Likes on a show from Esa Obayeje, Joyce, it is not enough to just update it. You also needed to frame it on your living room wall. I pour you sweet food. Ìgbà tí ò sí nǹkan kan tó ń achieve nínú group yẹn. Anyone come and celebrate likes. Ìgbà tí ò sí nǹkan kan. Wọ́n ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ gbẹ́jọ́, wọ́n ọ̀rọ̀ kọ́ fẹ́. Mọ̀mọ́ sọ pé wọ́n kú pìpìpì. Ìgbà wọn náà ní kú pìpìpì torí inú tí ìwọ̀n náà ti ń kú pìpì. Mọ̀mọ́ àti Lizzy ọlọ́run. Lizzy náà ló máa sọ pé káwọn èèyàn kú. Mọ̀mọ́ náà ló sọ pé káwọn èèyàn kú. Kí ló ṣe ti yín pẹ̀lú ikú báyìí? Wọ́n ò rí nǹkan kan celebrate. Their life their life is not life. There is nothing. Lẹ́yìn kí mọ̀mọ́ máa jà káwọn wèrè yẹn náà kan ṣe bí bingo kan de gbogbo ẹjọ́ sí wọn káwọn náà máa pín scrap láàrin ara wọn. Ṣé mo parọ́ ni? Mama will give them scrap. That is what they always share. That is it. There is nothing to celebrate. There is nothing to jubilate about. They are just giving them ibi tí màmá wá ti yí sí káwọn náà yí sí ìgbà tó ń ní mind of their own. Wọ́n náà celebrate the likes and views. Of course you will celebrate likes and views. Kí ló bá celebrate likes and views. You have to stay relevant but in sense. You are waiting for Momo to fight somebody so that you guys will go there and go and fight the person. Yàtọ̀ sí yẹn, is there any other thing you are using your platform to do? That is it. Is there any other thing you are using your platform to do? It's just, see, you will know. Everyone to go and gbógun ti Dorcas, of course. Ìgbà tó rí potential. Of course, wọ́n máa gbógun tì yín náà. Momo ò ní potential kò sí any value tí Momo lè add to anybody's life. Ó máa gbógun ti Dorcas náà gbogbo nǹkan tó máa ń ṣe máa bí wọ́n nú náà. Ó máa gbógun ti wọ́n náà láyé rí value tọmọ yẹn ń ṣe ni. Rí bí tó ti ń ṣiṣẹ́ àwọn èèyàn tó mọ̀ ni. Ó ti nílé lóríṣiríṣi báyìí Momo ò lè sinmi láti jọ́ tí wọ́n ti gbọ́ pé wọ́n náà láti nílé ní pìtìpìtì ayé ti dé bá Momo yín. Kò lè sinmi ọkọ ẹ̀ ò balẹ̀. Because she thought that bóun ṣe ayé àwọn ọmọ ewúrẹ́ tọ́rọ̀ rí nǹkan kan ṣe tí kan ò gbé kan lòun náà expect káyé àwọn ọmọ yẹn dà. So that she will be the only one saying that èmi nìkan ni mo ní my Mercedes mo ní lé sílùú òyìnbó mo ní kinní kan show me your house wọ́n ti fi lé òun hàn yín báyìí Momo ẹ̀yin lẹ́ẹ̀fẹ́ sí mi yìí o. Wọ́n ti fi lé òun hàn yín báyìí òun ní ọkàn yín ò balẹ̀ tẹ́ ń sá kiri. These people, I swear, these people. Momo ẹ tún wá gbọ́ another update látọ̀dọ̀ aṣẹ́wó plugs. Only what am I even saying itself? Like us, Esa Obayeje, like Joyce, like role model from hell. If Esa Doggy can update and thank Jaguda Baba Ole NGO thief, very dark man, only very dark man over a Twitter followship. Very dark man follow Momo. Momo ti achieve. Very dark man follow Momo. Momo yìí ti achieve. Momo, okay, Momo. Kí lẹ mọ̀ pé wọ́n ṣe lọ́dọ̀ àwọn Ratel? Kí lẹ ṣe mọ̀ pé wọ́n ṣe? Momo ló máa ń sọ pé Momo doesn't have integrity. Momo, you don't have integrity. Not be the same very dark man wey you dey drag when very dark man dey drag Iyabo that time because of group chat tó gbé jáde. Shey this Momo no dey drag the boy. And what do you have that you want to contribute to very dark man? Momo understand pé wọ́n ti sáré gbá géèmù fún òun bẹ́yẹn. Torí wọ́n ti rí pé ṣé rí gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ àti Facebook àti Instagram àti gbogbo ẹ̀ ni everybody ń rí o. Wọ́n ti rí pé àárín òun àti Ìyábọ̀ ò dán mọ́rán. Ṣẹlẹ̀ pé mọ̀mọ́ wọn kì í pẹ́ wọ́n máa ń lo ọpọlọ easily ni, kò ní brain láti lè fitch wípé okay o, these people they just want to use me and dump me. Wọ́n ti rí pé mọ̀mọ́ àti Ìyábọ̀ wọn ti ní issue náà wá fẹ́ fi follow yẹn náà wá fẹ́ fi ṣe kí ni fojú mọ̀ wọ́n ra torí mọ̀mọ́ bó ṣe wà yẹn anywhere bẹ̀lẹ́ face ni, kò ní mind of her own, kò ní nǹkan kan ju pé lójú tiẹ̀ báyìí ó special lójú tiẹ̀ ó special pé wọ́n recognize òun because that is what Momo, she always like this recognition kind of thing, she loves it. Lójú tiẹ̀ báyìí èèyàn kan ti recognize òun, wow, that makes sense. Wọ́n mọ impact òun, wọ́n mọ shit. They see that you and Iyabo has already fight, and they know that you have already supported Iyabo when Very Dark Man brought out the group chat nígbà yẹn. They saw all that, Momo. They know that you like validation. They gave you a follow to wọ́n fi tiẹ̀ síwájú ni, but mo mọ̀ pé o lọ́pọlọ, wọ́n fẹ́ gba information lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. They want to see if Iyabo has given you any information, and they want to use the opportunity to show kì í ṣe VDM ló ń follow ẹ o. Mama, don't get it twisted. Àwọn Ratel ló ń follow ẹ. In fact, the Ratel, they are even worse than VDM. Kì í ṣe VDM ló follow ẹ. If you think there is VDM that is clicking that follow button, clicking anything, it's not VDM, it's the Ratel. Ṣé o rò pé gbogbo fídíò tó ti ṣe nípa you hate VDM, ṣé o rò pé kò rí ni? Okay, tí o bá rí, we can àfi tẹ́ bá ti lọ delete ẹ, a máa wá jáde, a máa send ẹ sí. The unspeakable things you said about that guy, you think he did not see it? They just want to use you. Ohun èlò àlòpàtì ni ẹ́, Momo. Don't be feeling funky. Sherry, mo hate kéèyàn sọ́dọ̀. Momo is sọ́dọ̀ gan. Be able to understand. This is game, right? Game recognizes game. They can't try that with just anybody. But they wọ́n wojú. Wọ́n mọ àwọn tó jẹ́ pé bó ṣe wà yẹn. Momo is very, very fragile. Any small thing, she's broken. She's open. Torí ẹ̀ náà ṣe máa fi lọ ẹ̀. Torí ẹ̀ náà ṣe máa fi lọ ẹ̀ tínú ẹ̀ ń dùn. Tínú ẹ̀ ń dùn tó fíìl pé kínní. Lọ́wọ́ Ratel, ayé ìyá yín ti bàjẹ́. Lọ́wọ́ Ratel. Ratel mà kì í ṣe mẹ́nu mọ́. Ratel. Inú yín ń dùn ẹ̀ ń celebrate kínní. Okay. Ibi báyìí náà la máa wà. Tó máa fi bojú ìyá yín jẹ́. Ibi báyìí náà la máa wà. Momo máa rò pé àwọn Facebook blogger ló ń bá jà. Tó máa fi bojú ìyá yín jẹ́. Ibi ẹ̀yin ẹ máa wò ó sẹ́ ẹ̀. Ẹ jà continue. Wọ́n ní Momo thanking Very Dark Man for a Twitter follow. What do we expect from low self-esteem? Only disability of the hips. Irú ro borun. Esa doggy. You better check if the Oswald boy is still following, because na so he run follow Kem Street for a 4 hours fellowship before he unfollow her again. And you are deaf and dumb to the thief of NGO in your selective vindictiveness of attack on Ojuabe. Let me tell you something. Mo sọ fún yín. Very Dark Man is a manipulator. I don't hate him because he's a manipulator. No. Only níbi tó dá sí, ó dẹ̀ níbi tí ò dá sí. Very Dark Man is not a saint. This is what the Ratel wants everybody to believe. It's not a saint. It's a human being. He uses what he has to get what he wants. That is what they call a manipulator. Doesn't mean that he doesn't help people. I love that part about him helping people. But he has his own too. He's another side of him that is very good at. See, these people see everything as they go. But low self-esteem. wọ́n á wo gbogbo wọn lórí Facebook pé èwo ló ní easy prey, easy target. Momo, you are always an easy target. You are always an easy target. They know. They can't try that with Dorcas. They can't try that with me. They can't try that with, I don't know, any other person. But they know you. You live and breathe in validation. You say, wọ́n ti mọ̀ ẹ́, èmi nìkan ni. No be you they call Dapo Abiodun. You they call in phone number. I'm going to show number. To fẹ́ fi oppress wa pé on best or. No be you. No be you. They've studied your pattern. They know what works. And they are just using you to get what they want. Don't bad. See, they will toss you away like hot potato. Wọ́n sọ pé kó máa lò ẹ́. Gbogbo nǹkan tó bá dẹ̀ wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ dàálẹ̀ fún wọn. Soldier go, soldier come, soldier do wetin you want. Wo gidigba ládúró ti Queen Mother. Ó ní mo sọ fún ẹ, the only reason tán fi wà friends pẹ̀lú ẹ. Wọ́n friends pẹ̀lú ẹ nígbà tí group chat. Their friend that you don't kobo wọn. They were not friends with you, kò follow ẹ. But now they know that there is trouble in paradise with the things you said about Iyabo. They saw everything. They are just going to use you and don't be. Sori ẹ̀sìn tó bá tún wá máa ṣe. Ẹ̀sìn tí ìyá yín tún máa ṣe lórí social media. Ẹ̀yin gan máa wò pé kékeré ni gbogbo eléyìí tó sì ń ṣe yìí o. Rárá o, eléyìí ò tẹ̀ tí ìṣàrẹ̀ ẹ̀sìn. Ẹ̀sìn tí wọ́n máa fi mọ́ ṣe. Rí àǹtí Kẹ́mi lọ́jọ́ tèmi. Ṣebí wọ́n jọ ń gbé, wọ́n jọ ń gbà, wọ́n jọ ń gbé, wọ́n jọ ń gbà. Àwọn àti BDM gbà yẹn. Lọ́wọ́ ara wọn. Wọ́n ń gbé, bí àǹtí Kẹ́mi bá ti gbé báyìí, àwọn àràtẹ́ máa gbà. Wọ́n jọ ń pín wèrè ṣe. Wọ́n jọ ń lo update ara wọn láti fi máa ṣe show. Ẹ wọ́jọ́ tèmi. Èpè làǹtí Kẹ́mi ń gbé wọn ṣẹ́. Kọ́rọ̀ mọ̀mọ́ yín má wá di ọ̀rọ̀ àǹtí Kẹ́mkẹ́m. Kò tiẹ̀ sígbà tí ò ní dì iná torí àǹtí Kẹ́mkẹ́m tiẹ̀ sì lọ́pọlọ díẹ̀ ju mọ̀mọ́ yìí ò lọ́pọlọ. Mọ̀mọ́ àǹtí Kẹ́mi can see that, okay, these people are not shaking it. This woman don't know shit. She's just there to gloat. Wọ́n náà wá ń frame ẹ̀ kiri. Ẹ kú oríire o. Oríire yín á bá yín kalẹ̀ wọ̀ ẹ̀yin ewúrẹ́ nation. Momo, ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wà okay. Èmi ní kí n take it upon myself kí n kà á fún yín ni pé in case tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá rí update táwọn èèyàn ń jú fún yín, òun lẹ ti gbọ́ yẹn. Ẹ yára yín lọ́pọlọ. Tó bá dẹ̀ wù yẹn má yára yín lọ́pọlọ. Tó bá ti fi yín ṣẹ̀sìn, àwa máa rẹ́rìn o. Àwa máa analyze o. Ẹ lè sọ pé ẹ̀kọ́ òun pa àwọn pòun mọ́ agogo lẹ́nu. Àwa máa analyze o. Ẹ ṣáà make sure pé whatever it is you do with the raters, ẹ má jẹ́ kán kà sí yín. Ẹ má ṣẹ̀sìn. Tẹ́ bá ti lè ṣẹ̀sìn ẹ̀sìn fẹ́rẹ́fẹ́, Momo, ọkàn yín ò ní balẹ̀ lórí social media.